how to have multiple Google Calendar widgets on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for tutorials and videos like this. So of course you can hold down on the home screen as usual and go to the edit mode by, you can click on the edit in the top left, click on add widget, and as long as you have the Google Calendar app installed on your iPhone, you'll be able to scroll through the widgets or perhaps look up the calendar specifically, and Google Calendar will have some widgets available. In fact, there are 3 different types, one like small square and 2 kind of like larger or wider rectangles, right? So you can add any of them. The first one are what's next, and then the second one is, or the third one is what's next with the month view. So that's how you can pick and decide which one you want to add. Click on add widget, and if you want to add another one, you will basically repeat the whole process again. So we already have the calendar widget present on the home screen, but I'm going to click on edit once again. Click on the add widget, and as I said, we're going to repeat the whole process. So I'm just going to bring here another widget, right? So we have 2 of the same app, like it's the same Google Calendar widget, but we have 2 of those. So I can literally fill up the whole home screen with my Google Calendar widgets exclusively if I wanted to. So that's how it works. Keep in mind that you can also add widgets to the left widget panel on the home screen. So if you want to, you have another place where you can technically load up your Google Calendar as well as other widgets. So that is all that I really wanted to show you in this video. Let me know what you think below. Hit a thumbs up if it worked, and subscribe for the next tutorials and upcoming videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.